In this video, we'll show you how to use the Formula Sandbox in EspoCRM. This is a great tool designed for EspoCRM admins. With it, you'll be able to test your formulas before applying them to your entities. The Formula Sandbox lets you not only test formulas, but also print results and check syntax. Let's get started. First, go to the Administration section and search for the Formula Sandbox. As you can see, the interface is simple. First, choose the target type. Then, select a record from the target entity. This allows you to work with data from that specific record. Below the formula editor, you'll find instructions on how to print the output from your formula. Let's start with something easy. We'll show you how to print the name of the chosen record. Remember to end your formulas with a semicolon. You can check the syntax by clicking the button with the circle icon. To test your formula, click the Run button. As you can see, the name was printed. The Formula Sandbox allows you to check all attributes. It will display the available attributes for the selected entity. You can also choose functions that let you use system features like generating records, sending emails, creating records, and much more. We'll use a function to generate a unique ID. That was easy, right? Now, let's set a custom name for the linked task. Formulas allow you to set attributes. You just need to enter the name and the new value. For more advanced cases, you can use variables. A variable starts with clause and its name, and can be used multiple times in a formula. As you can see, I first specified a new name, and then it was printed. Once you're done with your formula, you can copy it and enter it into entity formulas to apply it to all records. You can specify entity formulas in the Entity Manager. If you'd like to learn more about formulas, visit docs.espocrm.com. Okay, now you know how to use the Formula Sandbox in EspoCRM to test and fine-tune your formulas before applying them to your entities. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below with any ideas or questions for our next video.